Hello everyone, welcome to today review. Hope that you all had a great weekend and uh, getting ready for another crazy week. And today, once again, another crazy day with the action early in the morning, basically all over the place. Once again, big fight between bulls and bears. And just to give an overview on the action that I got today and trying to explain a little bit the rationale behind those trades. Early in the morning, out of the gate, I got some buying calls. Was looking for, as we are seeing here, retest the yesterday highs of the day. Made a double bottom, and I was looking for a resume up. Got in, got out, got in at $7, closed at 7.30. So basically 30 cents per contract. And why? Because I was not seeing follow through. The market was getting very weak, very range, some lots of range. So I decided to close basically for 30 cents profit per contract. Now what? Now I believe that the stock needs a pause. After the last week bullish reversal candle recovering the 8-day moving average, needs a pause, and I'll be looking tomorrow if the stock breaks below 248, can give it all back and going back into 242, $240. Bull case needs above 255, so I'm keeping on the watch. No bias here. Wait for price confirmation. Today saw lots of bullish options activity, but didn't see follow through continuation. So basically killing the premium after the early in the morning. So basically keeping price in tight range, no edge one way or the other. So I will keep on my watch for tomorrow and to see if we can have a trade there. Also, early in the morning, I got Apple calls at 90 cents, and I trimmed some at 1.2 and closed basically at 98 cents those same calls, and it was the wise thing to do. Why? Because it was calls out of the money, calls 1 2 3, and same thing as Boeing, and it was overall it was basically on every single name what we saw. It was this kind of action, okay, killing the premium, tight range here, killing the premium, and nothing we can do about it. Why did I close the calls? Basically, I got calls at 90 cents, 90 cents, calls 1 2 3, trimmed some at 1.2, and the rest closed at 98 cents. So for me, small profit, but it was profit. So and waiting for a resolution one way or the other. We had a small bearish reversal candle. Also, I tried some puts on small caps. On Apple, I played some puts here at I believe it was here, I believe so, and didn't work. Why? It's on a range, killing premium for both calls and puts. So keeping on my watch, we had a bearish reversal candle today, but if the stock goes above 1 2 3, can squeeze into 1 2 4, 1 2 5, 1 2 6. So no one really knows. If it breaks below today lows of today, if it goes below $120, can go all the way into 119 once again. So very tricky action right here. The biggest trade that I made today, it was on small caps. When I saw that the market was not giving follow through continuation, I got into puts IWM at puts 212. Okay, so very far out of the money. Puts 212 at 54 cents, I believe it was the average. 54 cents, and I start trimming profits at 70 cents, 80 cents plus $1, and I closed every single trade when it was above $1, and it worked very well. Those contracts gone for almost $2. So closed a little bit too soon, but it was basically the trade that gave me the cash flow for the day. So when I start seeing that Apple was ranging, Boeing was ranging, decided to book my profits on small caps. Same thing with Neo. I got some puts on Neo for next week. I got at $2, closed at 2.45, and basically generate cash flow. Let me see Neo. How the action was. Nothing. Okay, nothing. Tight range, closed basically with a kind of a doji. I got puts, saw that it was some painful range. I closed the puts, okay, from $2 to 2.45. Not a big profit, but it was the wise thing to do. And tried some more, tried some lift, and was seeing a possible bounce. Those calls actually worked. Why did I got those calls? Because basically it was bouncing from the 8-day moving average. It worked very well, but it gave all back and closed exactly at the 8-day moving average. So no real edge here, either up or down. I got some pins. Those actually worked very well into the close. I got some pins at $1.80. I closed some at $1.40. And at the end of the day, those calls, it was calls 70 strike. They were at $1.40. So small profits, yes, but very tricky action right now on this market. Also on the right, I got some lottery tickets at 55 cents and closed at the end of at 25 cents and closed at the end of the day. Basically flat at 27, 26, 28 cents, and it was a lottery ticket, so I closed. Why did I jump into those? Because I was seeing some bullish options activity into this week, but didn't held because honestly no real confidence here on this market. Can go one way or the other. We saw a huge rip last Friday at the end of the day, huge rip after hitting here a double bottom, okay, huge rip up, and today it was positive, okay, it was positive, but not much follow through continuation. But it's still positive looking for the spice. It's above the 8-day moving average, it's above the 394, close at above 394, that's my level. Okay, 394, bullish while above, bearish if we break below 394, looking for 392 and going back into $390. So right now, basically, we closed slightly bullish. Here on SPY, but we are getting near all-time highs. So now what? Now I wait. Okay, are we going to print a lower high? That's possible. Print a lower high here and reverse back down? Yes, it's possible. And from there going to 390, going to 385? Yes, it's possible. But if we go above today highs of the day above 397, look for 398, and we can have a short squeeze into $400. It's also possible. So no real confidence here on playing overnight. So decide to stay in cash overnight. Small caps were the best trade riding this one. Close a little bit too soon those puts around here. They gave some more downside. Close at close of the day. So going into tomorrow, 214 it will be my support. Below that we have 210, 212. Below that we have 207, 208. Right now, what we know about small caps, they printed higher low last week. Right now, printed a bearish reversal candle today, and exactly where they should. Okay, $220 is a big level, and closed below the 8 and 21 day moving average. So bears have the ball. Now what? If it goes above 221, I'll be bullish for a big short squeeze. If it goes below 214, looking for 212, 210, and last week closed at 208 as possible support. So right now, prefer to wait to see where the action goes tomorrow. The cubes showed some relative strength, but big wall here, lots of resistance. Let me try to zoom in. Lots of resistance here, okay? Lots of resistance between 317, 316, and closed above the 8-day moving average, but lots of resistance ahead. What's next? Needs above 317 to go into this area, $320 plus. That's something that I'll be looking if the cubes goes above 317. I believe tech can have a big short squeeze and go into $320 plus with 324 as the next big wall ahead. And if it breaks below today lows of today, below 312, then I believe it can roll back into 309. That's the line in the sand. So right now, no real edge one way or the other. Staying open-minded. This is a short week. Only 3 days left because the market is closed on Friday. Not much volume here on the market, and I believe that most of the participants are already into holiday season going into Easter. We require lots of patience and trying to generate cash flow the best way we can. Not a huge day overall, but these small caps actually made me lots of profits, and could have been much more. They more than tripled, okay, from 50 cents all the way into $1.70 at the close, okay, $1 and 70 at the close, so more than tripled. But I closed for more than a double, so I'm very happy. It gave me the cash flow for the day, but it was kind of tough with the other names getting stopped. No losses, but small winners. Okay, it was kind of boring and a sleepy day, almost sleeping on the desk. After the put scalp on small caps, no real action. I didn't see. I was looking, researching, looking for other names. Saw dozens of charts, but no real action. Just killing the premium on the both calls on puts. On this kind of scenario, what you do, you raise cash, stay in cash, and wait with patience for another setup that can work tomorrow and the rest of the week. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Wish you all a great evening. Time to relax, to enjoy your day, and be ready for tomorrow. Small caps closed bearish with this bearish reversal candle. SPY actually closed slightly bullish. The cubes also showed some relative strength but lots of resistance, so no real edge either up or down going into tomorrow. So staying open-minded. We can also have a turnaround on Tuesday. Who knows what the hell is going to happen? Stay open-minded, manage your risk wisely, and stay safe, everyone. Bye bye. Thank you all for watching.